If you want to ensure that your ad campaigns are as effective as possible, it's important to test your concepts with users. By getting real people to interact with your ad concept, you can get valuable feedback that will help you fine-tune your final product. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the different methods you can use to test your ad concept with users. So without further ado, here are some of the most common user testing methods. 1. A/B testing. A/B testing is a method of testing where you compare two versions of a design or user interface to see which one performs better. 2. User surveys. User surveys are a way of gathering feedback from users about their experience with a product or service. 3. User interviews. User interviews are one-on-one conversations with users in order to gather qualitative feedback. 4. User focus groups. User focus groups are small groups of users who discuss a product or service and give feedback. 5. Eye tracking. Eye tracking is a method of measuring where users look when they are using a product or service. It can sometimes be tough to figure out which method will be the most suitable for your project. In such a situation, the first thing to consider is your budget. Some methods, like in-person testing, can be expensive. If you have a limited budget, you may want to choose a cheaper method, such as online testing. Another thing to consider is the type of product or service you're testing. If you're testing something that is very visual, like a website or app, you may want to choose a method that allows users to interact with the product, like testing in person or online. But if you're testing something that is less visual, like a service or an API, you may want to choose a different method, like a survey. Finally, you'll also want to consider the amount of time you have for testing. Some methods, like in-person testing, take longer to set up and conduct than others. Keep these considerations in mind when choosing a user testing method, and you'll be sure to find the best method for your project. And if you're not already using user testing as part of your ad concept testing process, it's time to start now. Sign up for Poll the People today and test your ads for free. You'll get instant feedback on your ad concepts to help make the best decisions for your business. So sign up now and start improving your ad campaigns with Poll the People.